and that's held in by 10mm bolt. There's 3 bolts that I can see right now, 1, 2, 3. So we're just going to get those taken off. And once those 3 bolts are removed, this whole device comes out. There's a wire connector here, so we'll just disconnect that. Okay, once that panel gets removed, you can see there's an actual grounding that goes behind there. That was right behind that. So that goes up back inside there. You can't see from here. There's a grounding terminal that all the wires go to. You can see all the brown rubber grommets. And they're actually on the other side, inside the wheel well, there's another nut that we're going to need to take off, and that will actually take these rubber grommets off. I'll show you what that looks like. So you can see up inside the rear wheel well, there's a nut there, another one up there, and one over in that corner. So we're going to be removing those. So there's that little rubber grommet that I took off that's attached in the fender well. This is actually in the wheel well, and that's the nut or the threads that held that plate in place. I actually, because I couldn't hold it, I actually just lightly put a piece of, I put a vice grips on there just to hold it in place so I could unscrew that nut. But there's 3 of those, and that's what that looks like. So here's the all the electrical device that was removed from the engine compartment, and that connector that was connected on there. That connector actually goes to the rear window defroster circuit on there. But this is where the wiring harness from in front goes. And this one is missing on mine. I'm assuming it's the wiring harness that goes to the engine, but I'm not sure. But that wasn't hooked up on mine. So underneath there's another connector here that also was not connected. So not sure what a lot of those are for, but that's what that device looks like removed from the car.